Hello and welcome back to Ride Rescue. In this episode, I'm finally going to get this car out on the road. It's pretty exciting. I've got it licensed and registered, got the insurance on it, I got my safety inspection. 40 years it's set in a guy's garage under his house. So I've been working on the car now for several months, getting it ready to drive, and it's finally worthy. I feel safe. I feel good that I've got everything working properly. So we'll take it on a small drive, and then hopefully I'll take it on a little further drive. And then I've got a couple of car shows coming up that I want to take it to. So we'll see what kind of comments we get. See how it holds up. We'll push it a little bit, and hopefully all goes well. Well, what do you say we take this long, sleek, wide track Pontiac for a drive? Been a long time coming. After 40 years sitting and waiting. Chirp in the belts that I've got to figure out. But check this out. My first thought was the thing didn't work, but with the old tubes, it just takes a while.
And then you've got Devontae Henry Cole, you've got Devin Brumfield, you've got TJ Green. But I think Zach's workload will probably be in the neighborhood of 25 to 30 touches a game. Not necessarily carries. That he averaged about 20 carries a game last year, but for whatever reason, they didn't throw the ball to him a lot out of the backfield. He's a good pass receiver. I think you're going to probably see him carry it 23 to 25 times a game and probably get targeted 3 to 4 to 5 times a game in the pass game as well. So my expectation, because I
good shifting, it's smooth, lots of power, lots of torque.
I think you'll probably see him get anywhere from about 28 to 30 touches a game, probably 25 carries.
Do you think that BYU
speedometer's
has
working?
An advantage in any aspect of the game, maybe kicking, maybe a position group?
Well, I think the plays
The old suspension is a little slushy.
in real games. Andrew Stroud,
Bad you can't feel it.
weeks ago, has only kicked a game for sure. That was against Utah, ironically, a few years ago. He's been J.J. Bolson's backup.
Pretty exciting to have it on the road again after it's sitting for so long.
Consistency from the beginning of camp till today is nice.
Stops good.
He's now very consistent, but again, he's not
Doesn't
kicking
stall.
the game. So I think for the first time in a number of years, you might have an advantage playing Eagles because they've got a kicker who's kicked in some real games. And I think BYU's offensive line is good too. I don't know talent-wise
Pretty
how much
exciting.
better they are because again, I think Utah's talented, but I think they've got
Look at that.
that advantage of having a lot of those
Signals
guys
work.
together. So I think there's an advantage there.
Power steering.
And I'm trying to think of another place where I'd say there'd be decided advantage or even
was a pretty good test. First time getting on the freeway, no problems. I didn't push it that hard. Shifted good. Got the RPMs up. Sounded very impressive. Let's go ahead and take it easy and limp back to the house, and I'll record it along here, and you gotta see this view. What a spectacular view. Thing I wanted to point out as I'm pulling into the neighborhood here, I'm looking into the rearview mirror, and you just gotta see this. I mean, how often do you see a rearview mirror in that position? Long nose, thin pillars, mirror's not on the door, it's not on the front fender. Pretty cool. Overall, the car performs very well. I'm really excited. Got some good feedback from the car shows. Most of the feedback is the rust. It's disappointing, some of the cosmetic rust. Overall though, good comments. So after getting some of the feedback and comments about the rust, I think I'll go ahead and fix some of the cosmetic rust. It doesn't have any real structural rust anywhere except in the rocker panel on the driver's side. So if I was to put the car up for sale, that's probably going to be the thing that really holds it back more than anything else. The faded paint, the chips, the scratches, a little surface rust here and there, those are just cosmetic. Hopefully it's not worse than what you can see on just the outside. The outside skin is one thing, but when you start getting the inner structures and then the A pillars and the B pillars and those rust areas can be very time consuming. So thank you for watching my video. Appreciate you tuning in. If you like what I'm doing, give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Any little bit you can help me out with, keep my channel going. As I'm finishing up this project, I'll be working on some other projects, and maybe you can give me some tips on what you want to see. Well, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.